First and foremost, just before my speech, you had such a jolly, I mean to say it was not a speech by a madam, but she outlined at the outset that a boring speech will further bore this program. So I'll not go into a boring speech, but certainly I'd like to compliment this institute, this college. I was hearing about this college when I was Superintendent of Police. When I went away from here in different parts of the state, I used to hear about this college, and many people from different places used to influence me to get an admission here. But I never interfered with Professor Naik, I suppose, except for one case. But I strongly, it's for my heart, I can say that the institute has done wonderful, and you are in a wonderful hands. Few things which I like to point out on such an occasion is, one is, as the DGM Canara Bank, with his experience he shared, it's not winning which matters. I also want to repeat the same thing. We all, if all these 890 odd people sitting here, if you all strive for the same goal, it is impossible for all of you to get into the same. If you keep, like suppose we say IIT as the highest goal if you target. Otherwise all 890 from expert would have gone to IITs. But yes, we should always aim for the highest, try and give our best, and rest is, it will come on its own. We should not get bogged down, get demoralized, get depressed by failures. Always are there. They are ladders to success. And if you follow this policy, certainly you will succeed in life. We should never ever, because this from my experience I am telling you, I was just sitting with Professor Naik, he was telling me how the routine and all these things are there. It has to be done at this stage of your life. There has to be some routine life, some strictness, some discipline. But you have to maintain, you have to develop as a personality. Because you are not working to become engineers and doctors only. You have to aim to become a good citizen of this country. That is first and foremost. So my sincere advice to you, all of you, you will get what you achieve, what you are aiming for. In the process, don't lose your individuality, your creativity. Have faith in yourself and try to build upon whatever best you learn from your friends, from your good teachers here. And this experience of 2 years will certainly bring you laurels. You can't get Mangalore, as such Mangalore is known for education. In this atmosphere you are getting such a beautiful college. You can never dream of such better education than this. People go to Kota in Rajasthan to get trained in such institutes, to qualify for such institutes. I think so, the living condition in Kota, as I have made, because many of my relations and all, they have, through that route they have got into the institutes. I did not somehow appreciate that, because you become a machine there. You are fighting in and out. I, for my part, would like to see you as cheerful students who are always cheerful, not only in this part of your life, but till the end you should be cheerful. Once you you lose your cheerfulness in this very prime of your age, you will never regain that. You will be only repenting. Whatever you lose in this part of your career life, you will never regain it. Well, that is a sincere advice. Some on the lighter vein, I have also been trained in an institute where obviously it was a police regiment. It was similar sort of training where we used to be trained. You know, all the students, they will not be of same type, the trainees. So what used to happen, like some people, they found out some ways that how to miss the classes. When the announcer, she was announcing so many names, I was surprised first why so many names are being announced. Then I got to know there's 100% attendance. I don't know how you maintain that 100% attendance, but there was a trick in our institute. What they used to do, okay, you want to miss a class, you miss a class. But you have to do that class on a holiday. So there's no going back. You have to finish the class. So we had, suppose, swimming 100 classes. So we have to do 100 classes of swimming. Whether we are sick or whether we are for any reason, or we have any part of the training. So that way we used to finish our training, but that was a different training. This training is you are going to get some job, you are going to do wonders for this country. Certainly that spirit should not be there. You have to work on your own. No one is going to tell you how to study. They are only going to guide you. It is you have to put your hard labor. As far as the experience of our DGM Canara Bank, he was telling about his grandmother's story. I'd also like, I am quite younger to his age, but with some experience I can tell you, I repeated this in some sports function recently. We were told when we were young that first 25 years of your life, if you struggle, the rest of your life span, you can enjoy. You can really enjoy your life. And first 25 years, if you just enjoy, then 75 years, the next 3/4 of your life is gone. So this is, if you follow this principle, you are just too young to go so deep into it. But certainly, under this guidance and this such a nice atmosphere, I wish and I sincerely hope all of you get whatever you are aiming for. I was giving away some prizes were given by others. I was seeing the numbers of girls were more. So I don't know, you have already done some reservation for women already there, but the boys should not lag behind. They should also study properly. And my best wishes, with Vineet is a male student, so he is already the best outdoor. So, and a very handsome student also. Yeah, not for the girls, for everyone. Okay, so with all these words, I would not like to come in between. Your time between 5 to 8 is for cultural show. I will not like to spoil your thing. Only that whatever is being taught to you, please take it with a pinch of salt. It is for your betterment. And never ever think that this 2 years will again come to you. So enjoy the best of it. Thanks, and thank for the institute for calling me. Thank you.